Growing up in Hawaii is often very difficult to contextualize the education that was given to us or to place the concepts of Western learning into this way we live. How do we help kids contextualize the learning we're trying to give them with the place around them, with the honua?
What is ha?
It's the sharing of the breath of life, and it's a sharing of love, actually, caring for each other and caring for the earth.
People ask, what is ha in terms of na hopena'o? The first thing that I think of are system outcomes.
This strength and sense of belonging, it is very important to me that each one of my haumana know who they are, where they come from, where they live.
We are unique in Hawaii. Whether you were born here or not, you are part of it, and we all have a chance to contribute to it. In implementing the framework, we may find a common thread in other ways, in other parts of our lives, that we haven't already done.
You feel a kuleana to that place. You want to work hard and bring your best to make that place better. It's what's essentially Hawaiian. And I work to make that experience for my students. Seeing their smiles and seeing them all pili, all one, that exemplifies what Ha is all about.
Excellence. On a personal level, I'm always striving for that. Looking at our mo'olelo and just really the way my kupuna are and how we've been raised, excellence is central to a lot of what we do.
Hulawan ho'ohana mako ya aloha, ua a'o ka mako kumu ya mako a ku'oha no ano akahai, la no lokahi o no olu'olu, he no ha'aha'a a o ahonui a, ua a'o lako ya mako I kia no ka mea o ke aloha, ka mea nui ma ka ohana a me ma wahua e o ka hula.
From the smallest component of the youngest children all the way up to the kupuna, we have a happy and healthy community. We have a community where people are safe, where they are nurtured, where they have what they need to live, that they have food, shelter, clothing, education, that they have work that's meaningful to them and helpful to the community.
Something that's even more important than the art itself is really the connection. Knowing that between Nalani and Honua is Kanaka, and that's our role, is between, we're the conduit. We connect those energies. Helping the kids to align their three piko and be one with all of that makes them better able to listen to the aina.
Creating a framework where every single community can figure out what works best for them, where teachers and haumana are all a part of creating a pathway, a framework that makes things work best for our students.
The promise that I see is generational abundance. This sense that we work together to create not just survival for our community, but true thriving, that is generational because it's something that is a legacy that I passed down to my children, that I inherited from my kupuna, but generational in that it continues to create more of itself.
Now's the time to implement something, to save something that is Hawaii, so that we all have Hawaii. And if we could return 30, 40, 50 years from now, that we would recognize a place that we would choose to live in, that we would still choose to live in Hawaii 50 years from now.